When your carpet's in a mess, call procare.
The 12-step upholstery cleaning process. Step 1. Pre-inspection. Our technician will perform special tests to determine the content of your fabric. The content will determine what type of cleaning solutions and techniques to be used. We will also point out any potential permanent stains or areas of concern. Step 2. Area preparation. We will prepare the area where the upholstery will be cleaned to protect your surrounding furnishings. Step 3. Pre-vacuum. We will pre-vacuum thoroughly before cleaning. This step will remove dry soils and any loose particles from cracks and crevices. Step 4. Pre-treat. Depending on your fabric, a special solution designed for your fabric type and the soiling condition will be applied to emulsify the soil. Step 5. Pre-spot. Any potential difficult spots will be pre-treated with special solutions to increase the chances of removal. Step 6. Pre-groom. The fabric will then be gently groomed using soft upholstery brushes to loosen the soil. Step 7. Soil extraction and rinse. The soil is then extracted from the fabric with a gentle, controlled rinse. Step 8. Neutralizer. The fabric will be pH balanced to maintain its soft, fresh feel. Step 9. Post-spot treatment. If any spots are not removed during the cleaning process, specialty spotting techniques are employed. However, potential permanent stains as identified by the technician may or may not be removed. Step 10. Post-groom. The upholstery will then be prepared for drying with a gentle combing of the fabric. Step 11. Speed dry. Air movers will be placed on the upholstery to speed up the drying process. Step 12. Post-cleaning inspection. Our technician will review the cleaning results with you to ensure that your expectations have been met or exceeded.